How to use Canaccord Genuity Wealth app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Canaccord Genuity Wealth's app gives investors professional level access to global markets, portfolio tracking, and wealth management tools. But most beginners barely scratch the surface and make costly mistakes that weaken their returns. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is ignoring the performance dashboard. This isn't just a summary, it's a detailed breakdown of your portfolio by region, sector, and asset class. Beginners often focus only on total returns and miss warning signs like overexposure to one region or currency. Next, don't overlook the client reports and insights. Canaccord produces in-depth research and market commentary directly in the app. If you're not reading those updates, you're missing expert perspectives that could help guide smarter portfolio decisions. Another mistake? Not sensing your risk profile with your portfolio. Many users forget to update their risk preferences when their goals change, for example, after a major purchase or approaching retirement. That mismatch can lead to unnecessary volatility or missed opportunities. Pro tip: schedule portfolio reviews quarterly. Even passive investors benefit from checking alignment with long-term goals and rebalancing when needed. And here's the surprising truth: wealth management isn't just about having investments. It's about making data-driven adjustments as your life evolves. Used properly, the Canaccord Genuity Wealth app can turn your investing strategy into a professional-grade system balancing precision, insight, and performance.